Good morning, students. Today we are going to start page number 11 on step by step book. We have to draw and shade the picture of a tree in its natural surroundings using pencils of different grades. So let's start. Do sketching with HB pencil. We will start with the trunk, which is in cylindrical shape. Now, look at the shape of the tree and observe it. Draw the shape of the tree like this. Then draw the background tree. Stones and bushes on the foreground. These are the bushes. Now come to the shading part. Start from lighter to darker tone. You can see these parts of tree are darker than these parts because direct light falls on upper parts of tree. Now start with lighter pencil, that is 2B or 4B pencil. So I am using 4B pencil. Start shading like this. Now you can use 8B or 10B pencil for the darker tone. You can see left side is darker than the right side. So it means light is coming from the right side. Draw strokes like this on these parts. I am using 10B pencil on these parts because these are the darkest portions of the tree. These strokes create the illusion of collection of leaves. So you have to create an illusion of leaves. You don't need to draw every single individual leaf. Every tree has a different types of leaves, so it means every tree has a different strokes of leaves. So you can do like this. These are the strokes of the leaves. So do practice of these strokes like this, like this. I am using 10B pencil on lower parts of tree because these are the darkest portion of tree and less light is coming. So these areas are slightly darker than the areas on the upper portion. Now I am going to use 4B pencil for the middle tone. On background tree, you can use 2B or 4B pencil because this tree will be lighter than the front tree. You can see left side is darker than the right side, so do accordingly. Use 8B or 10B pencil for the darker tone. Bushes also. And do complete this picture.